Hey everyone, and welcome back. So I have an extremely big headache the size of a kangaroo. And I had a terrible craving. When I saw it on the TV, I said, you know what? Let's go, let's do it. Wait no more, get it. I saw the Chick-N-Tater Melt meal is back in Jack in the Box. That's one of my favorite burgers ever. It has so many calories, it's so greasy, it's so decadent, it's so bad for you. It's fast food at its best, and I normally don't eat much of that, especially lately. So I went with my kangaroo size headache that goes from here to here, and I went and got me one. So I wanted to eat it here with you guys. The cravings are unbearable. And also, a drink to go with that. Yes, please. It is sweet tea. So I am going to be putting this into my tray, like you guys know. Yes, I'm gonna be using my tray, and I have this whole thing figured out. It's still warm, and I cannot wait to eat it with you guys. And if this is a thing that you hate, and by a thing that you hate, I mean the burping, please beware that some of that might happen today, and I am really sorry if that's not your thing. This is why I'm doing it as a pre-recorded video instead of a live, because I want to do different things live with you guys and be respectful of the people that thinks and feels that burping live is rude. So I want to do it in a different route. So let's go. I have my metal tray over here. Like I said before, this is a sweet tea. I'm hoping that it's actually gonna help with my headache, which is really big right now. And normally what I do with this cup sweats so much, I just cover it with my paper towel. Yes, with a paper towel, and that way it's not gonna be so bad. And let's see over here. This is not a sponsorship. I wish. So that way I can have this burger for free. Because I love it so much. I'm just gonna grab the bag. Put it kind of like over there. And you can see the box over here that it says the cubes, the cube meal. Okay. My napkins, my non-soda, and I like this. I like that it has a seal so it doesn't open easily. They have it all day long. Oh my god, that is so much fries. Oh my god. And I'm forgetting something. Okay, yes, so this is my favorite sauce, this one over here, the good sauce. I asked for 2 of them. I'm only gonna try to eat one. But look at this. This, it's a lot of food. So I'm super starving, and what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna start with a burger, because if I'm being completely honest, that is the star of this video, is the Chick-N-Tater meal burger. So it comes with churros now, which is kind of weird because I am used to just the fries and the curly fries, or the tacos. It has a taco. I'm gonna give it to my mom. She loves that. It has the churros. It has a million fries. Curly fries. Jesus. Okay. And the most anticipated thing that I've been waiting to get, to have, to taste, to reminisce, is this croissant burger with a fried piece of chicken, the sauce. Oh, okay, my nose is running, and you see, it's like, oh god, so good. And the hash brown. The hash brown is my favorite thing ever. Don't try this at home unless you love this burger. Yes. Mmm. It tastes as good as I remember it. Oh my god. The size seems a little bit smaller, but I think it's the same size. I haven't ate this in over a year. And I think it's the same. Mm. Mm. It was worth the wait, okay? God, this is so bad for you. That's a good sauce right there. So it has good sauce like it always has. The hash brown is perfectly crispy. The chicken is tender and super flavorful. This is actually great. I love it. Like, I really, really do. The box, the meal was so hot. The box got a little bit damp on the back. This is delicious. Also, this is part 2 after I'm done with my nails. Okay. You can see how much sauce they put. You can see like the crispiness, the chicken, the everything. This is a pretty good sandwich. Also, it's calorie dense, so it's gonna be a lot of calories in just this one thing. This for me, it's a real Munchie Meal. There's so much. Fun fact, before I used to work 7 days a week in restaurants, and I used to be on my feet for 12, 14, 16 hours a day, and I could master one of this, no regrets, all in one sitting, because I would normally not eat a meal or two, so I would skip meals and then try to binge eat all this, which is super bad for your health. Do not do that. Right now, I really was craving this burger. I'm gonna eat as much as I can, but I'm not gonna try to force myself to eat it all. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is for you to remember that this awesome burger is back and we're so happy about it. The bacon is as good as I remember it. The sauce, the warm, how melty it is, how much sauce it has. Oh my god. I'm gonna be sad when it's gone, but I can definitely buy a humongous hash brown, or fry a piece of chicken and put it into a croissant. I just don't know which sauce that is. It is by far and hands down as good as I remember it. Worth the waiting. Now a little bit of tea to calm my headache. We're good. Okay. This is it. This is the last bit. It's so crunchy. So crunchy. Yes, I'm doing this. It's either this or my tongue. And I don't want to be like that. Not right now. Yes, sir. That was a whole piece of cheese. I'm sorry. I had to. Okay. So, the burger, as usual, passed the inspection. It is deliciously bad on the sense that, oh my god, eating all of this is so bad for you, right? Also, it is bad for you. I see it if you are eating it often, if you are eating it once or twice a day and very often together, which is super, super unhealthy. Once in a while, it's different. I go months without eating this, and then I really crave it. Like, they stopped making them. They stopped making them last year, I think April or maybe March last year. And I haven't had Jack in the Box since then. Very good. Just for that, it was worth it for me. Okay. My stomach started to feel like happy. Okay. So normally this is where I stop if I were alone, unless I'm super starving. But I am gonna eat some of the fries because curly fries are not my thing. But I really, really like them. I prefer French fries, always. And I forgot to do the substitution. I was so hungry. Sorry. I told you. I was getting empty and that hit the spot. Just the burger and a little bit of drink. Wow. Apologies. And also, that hit the spot if you didn't heard it. Yes. It was delicious. Yes. Now, I want to do some good sauce. I just tried it not too long ago. I had some store sauces from before, and I had it and I thought it was pretty awesome. Like maybe it has some mayo or something. Who doesn't love mayo? I mean, but for me, it tastes like maybe like a sweet mustard with a little bit of mayo or something. Because I kind of taste the honey, which is my thing. Okay, so we did the burger. Now I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty content with myself. I can take a shower. I can go to sleep happy. Or if it was earlier in the day, I will wait an hour, wash my face, change my clothes, maybe like an hour and a half, 2 tops, and then go for a run. Because that was enough energy on itself for me to do something else. Or crash if it is too late in the day. I just saw big curl. Big curl. Okay. So like I said, I wanted to do this Munchie Meal because I was so excited about eating the burger. But I feel like my stomach is like, yeah, we are good. We are okay. And those 2 burps were more than enough proof that I am like good. They were so loud and so long, I think I'm burped out. And then I am not. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Let's try with another couple more fries. Wait. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. I'm happy. I feel like it's like maybe my friend, the visitor, the Red Sea is coming. And that's why I have this craving. Because I know for sure, it's not pregnancy. So, yeah. Okay. Oh my God, look at this one. Okay. Whee! So all in all, I will give this box out of 10 a solid 6 or 7. Now I'm going to tell you why. For the first time in my life, my migraine was so bad, I wanted some Sprite. Okay? They did not have Sprite. That's not their fault. Second of all, the price is a little bit higher. Yes, the price is a little bit higher. It is still, I think, pretty consistent to what is out there right now in other fast food chains without coupon or without a discounted something, even though this was one of their specials. It's discontinued and it's a limited time offer, okay? And I also give it a 7 because I'm more of a curly fries and fries person myself, especially on the days that I was working so much that I needed so many carbs in order not to lose a bunch of weight and look all disheveled and raggedy and terrible and have energy to keep getting up and going back to work 7 days a week. So the extra carbs for me were like, but I'm not a fan of the taco myself. I don't like it that much. I can give it to my brother, I can give it to my roommate, Erica, or I can just give it to my mom, whatever. The churros, it's kind of weird because I was mostly looking for the burger and then I have something sweet versus the drink and stuff. I don't know, a solid 7, but the burger is still, in my book, a 12 out of a 10. It's one of my favorites. It had the hash brown, the fried piece of chicken, the soft croissant with that awesome sauce and bacon. I mean, it's a weakness for me. also, you know, a 7.5 because I really love this tiny sauce, and it's a good addition to the fries and all that. So all in all, I pretty much ate it all. I ate the most important thing, that is the burger. It's always gonna be, which on itself, if you actually Google it, the burger itself has almost 1,000 calories. 1,000 calories. So when I say, oh yeah, I love it, but I will not be eating it often, is because on itself, that's 2 meals or 2 meals and a snack. And I still have a bunch of fries, a taco, I think 5 mini churros instead of 4, and let me see, this much of drink. So it's a bunch of food, okay? So yes, 7.5 is my updated scorecard, because this is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful meal that, like the internet was saying, I definitely think this is a shareable thing. You can mix and match. You can give another person your sweet or your taco with the rest of your fries if you just were looking for the burger. Or you could just cut all of that together, go to their app or to the restaurant and just get the burger and have a drink on your own at your own house. So it will depend on what you're looking for. I love the burger. I think I did good by ordering it midweek. It was delicious. It was warm. I would not change anything to it. And I really, really missed it so much. So I'm happy. I hope you guys are happy with my mini burps and long burps on this video today. Just like I was by letting them out. Okay, let me see. I'm sorry that I did that, but also thank God that I did that because I can breathe better now. So I hope to see you again on my live videos that I'm going to be doing only here on my YouTube. So if you haven't followed me yet or turn on the notifications, I think you should do that right about now. In the meantime, I really hope you have a wonderful day or night, and stay safe and keep yourself blessed. I cannot wait to see you, read you again. Bye-bye.